Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have here a new tool, much needed it. There was another video that I made of a jigsaw. It's been 7 years since then. It was a Ryobi jigsaw, but I never liked it and I returned it. So this one today, since I need one badly, I went to the store and got this from Harbor Freight. I also got some blades because, as you can see here in the box, it says very clearly that the jigsaw blades are sold separately. So I got some. I think I have some, but I don't know where they are, so I might as well have than not have, right? So this is how the box looks. Very specific. By the way, this is a cordless jigsaw, and I'm looking forward to that because that Ryobi one was corded, but this one is not, which is very interesting because you know, without a cable around, it's much better to work, right? Now, I have read great reviews about this over at the Harbor Freight website, so it looks very cool. And it apparently is very practical to use and very easy to use. Also lightweight, which is very important. So let's check it out. Let's start by opening it here like this and see what the box brings. Bring several boxes. We have several other things. Oops. Alright, so we have the owner's manual right there. We have the jigsaw itself right here. That's nice. It's small. Well, for me it's great because I have small hands, so I think I like that. It's not heavy, which is very important. Here are the faces of the jigsaw and how you want it to work. It brings here Allen key. That's kind of nice. And you can actually put it back here and keep it safe so you don't lose it. That's kind of cool. Let's see what else. Your safety button and the trigger. It also brings like a cover here, like a safety cover, so you don't get cut or anything, or nothing goes through the blade, that it will work through here, right? So that's interesting. Now, in order for me to show you this, I'm going to have to obviously charge the battery, which is this one. This is the battery that it brings. It's an 18-volt battery. Now, the brand is called Warrior. Did I say that before? But anyway, it's called Warrior, okay? So this is an 18-volt battery that it goes right here. But I'm pretty sure I have to charge it. I don't think. Oh no, it does bring charge. Wow. And it has a light. Look at that. It doesn't have any blades, so it's not dangerous, but I want you to look that when I did the trigger here, right, when I push it, it has a light. Look, you see that? That's cool. Well, it's charged. So we can make a little cut there. Well, I'm gonna remove the battery right now. Let's see. So you're gonna press the button right here and take it out. Let's see the charger. Just like a small wall charger. That's cool. It's not that bulky, so if you travel, you want to make work completely away from your workbench or your shop, I think this is very lightweight and small that you can put in a bag and take it with you. So that's cool. Let's see. Here are the blades. These are 4-inch T-shank Jigsaw blade. So it works with the T blades. And these are high carbon steel blades. These are specifically for wood. So, and it says here for corded and cordless jigsaws. That's kind of cool. Alright. I'm going to take one out. Alright. And this is the way we're gonna put it. I have to turn. There's a knob that you have to turn, okay? So you turn it, and then the blade has to face away like that. I'm a lefty, that's why I'm having a hard time trying to. Okay, it goes like this. See, the teeth goes up, right, if you're holding it like this. So I'm just gonna pull this. Can you see it? I don't think you can see it. Let me put you closer, okay? Alright, I did put a light for a better view because it was kind of a little dark, and so we're gonna try this again by just turning the knob up, right? And then inserting the blade. It shouldn't be that hard. Once it's there, you pull it out and it doesn't go anywhere. And make sure it aligns with these two little wheels that makes the blade work. Alright? So that's that. And the tool is set to go. It's set to actually work with it. So I guess we're gonna have to do some cutting. Alright, so the tool is set. All I gotta do is put the battery on, and maybe we can try it out and cut some wood. Let's do that. Alright, so I need a piece of wood that measures 8 inches. So we're gonna do that. As you can see, it did the job perfectly. So I'm pretty happy with the purchase. Now I have to clean up. This is pine, by the way. It smells really good. But this is what the blade does too. Maybe I should have put some tape in order for not that to happen. But I just wanted to show you, you know, more or less what this could do. And it does really work perfectly. There's no problems whatsoever. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put the battery to charge in full. And then I'm going to put it to work for the next video. So guys, if you're interested in something like this, it's an amazing tool. I'm really happy with it, and the fact that it's cordless, that's a big plus. Let's see how much it holds. From reading the reviews, it seems like a very sturdy tool. It is sturdy. It feels sturdy. It's a little bit small, probably for big guys with, you know, like big hands. Maybe this is not ideal. Maybe you consider to have a different tool, different brand. But for me, it's perfect. I mean, the fact that You can control it, there's no problems. I'm pretty sure that you can level this so you can make cuts in different bevels. And also the guard here protects you from anything from the blade to just cut you or whatever. It also has like a wire fence here, so it's somewhat protected, and that way you don't harm yourself. This is a very powerful tool. I highly recommend that when you use this tool, you use your proper safety equipment, and that way you can actually work the tool with no problems. Always make sure that if you want to change the blade, you always take the battery out completely so there's no power and you don't get hurt. Okay, so bottom line, a great tool, very inexpensive for people that are starting with woodworking. It's a great tool to start with if you don't have one. Remember, with this tool you can create curves and all kinds of other cuts, straight cuts, curves, all kinds of things. It's a very useful tool in the shop for your woodworking projects. So thank you guys for coming in, and please leave a comment down below. Let me know if you have a Jigsaw, or if you use a different brand, or you actually have this Warrior tool. You know, it's always good to know what you're doing at your shop and what tools are you using. I would love to read anything that is pertains about this tool, so leave a comment down below. Don't be shy. Also subscribe to the channel to see more content about this, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video. Goodbye guys.